In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Vanpowers Manidae e-bike. The Manidae is one of the latest models from Vanpowers, and it offers a compelling value for the specs. The Manidae's aluminum frame is both durable and attractive, with nice clean lines that are complemented by its sporty matte gray finish. Powering the e-bike is a 750-watt rear hub motor producing 85 Nm of torque, giving it both a powerful and efficient ride. The motor is mated to a 48-volt, 14-amp-hour battery from LG, offering a very impressive range of 70 miles on a single charge. I also appreciate that Vanpowers integrated the battery neatly into the frame, while making it easy to remove as well. And speaking of integration, the bike also comes with a well-designed integrated headlight. However, it does not come with an integrated taillight. The bike features 4-inch Kenda Juggernaut fat tires, which provide excellent traction, stability, and comfort. These are some of my top favorite tires since they are capable of handling all types of terrain, including sand and snow. Adding even more comfort to the Manidae is its front suspension, which you can adjust to your preferred level. The suspension also includes a lockout feature. Rear suspension is not an option on this bike, but in my opinion, it's not necessary, since the 4-inch tires and front suspension provide enough comfort on their own. While the Manidae does come equipped with nicely sized 203mm brake rotors, the brakes are mechanical. They still provide good stopping power, but I would have preferred hydraulic. The backlit LCD display is where you'll find all of your essential information, such as speed, battery level, and the 5 levels of pedal assist. Although a color display would have been nice, this display still works perfectly fine. According to Vanpowers' website, the Manidae should be able to reach a max speed of 28 miles per hour. However, I was only able to reach 24 miles an hour. Unfortunately, there's not an option in the settings to adjust the speed limiter. I'm not sure if this is the case for all Manidaes, but it's something to be aware of. It's also worth noting that the Manidae comes with a cadence sensor rather than a torque sensor. I personally prefer torque sensors in most cases, but I will say the Manidae's cadence sensor responds very well compared to other bikes with cadence sensors. The Manidae is priced at $19.99 and can be ordered with optional accessories such as a rear rack and a spare battery. Overall, the Vanpowers Manidae is an excellent value and a great choice for riders who are looking for a high-quality e-bike. While there are a few minor drawbacks, it fights back with its attractive design, fantastic range, and impressive value. If you're in the market for an affordable e-bike that can handle off-road adventures without having to worry about your range, then the Manidae is definitely worth considering. And if you decide to order a Manidae, be sure to use code eBikeify to get $220 off of your purchase. Please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you think about the Manidae. And as always, thank you for watching.